Hello, my name is Ibrahim, as you know from the first video, or is this your first time watching me do a video? This is my second video. So now, we are gonna learn about the radio mic dot. As you can see, it doesn't look very radio, and just a few whisper. We don't actually need this. We don't actually need the A input. But my dad did it so I can show you it well. So now, see? It's following it. They're on the same place. Yeah. NB just makes it start. So now, and don't look at the code. Don't look at it. And as you can see, the code is in my background. So you can see it all the time. Okay, new project. Okay, now I'm going to do it U. Yeah, I'm just a first grader. Ugh. Okay, YouTube. I don't think that looks right. What? Found the solution. Done. YouTube, that seems right. YouTube. Ooh, wait, I have to change the name. Let me just change my name over here. YouTube. Ooh. Okay. Wait. Oh. Radio. That doesn't look right. Come on. And all we need is I over I. Radio. YouTube radio. Now this is a YouTube radio streaming live. Yeah. So now, what we're gonna do is, you know what? Yeah. So now we're gonna make a variable. Be careful what you're gonna name it. And you're gonna name it dot. Dot. Yeah. Yeah, I do make mistakes, and you don't have to name it dot. And as in start, make everyone have a delicious ice cream. I'm going to show you advantage. Yeah, just like what I did not today. Yeah. That might look like a game, but I'm not making a game. A radio thing could control both microbits. Yeah, and see this external you can just click on it and you have options what to put on. Go back. Now you learned it. Now let's, and I'm gonna make it sunlight powered, but it won't work on the simulator. So on here. Okay. Wait. I better change brightness to light level. Light level. Now I have a light level. Now look, this. Ooh, okay. Ding. Still putting on. And I made a mistake on light level. This is light level. Now, look. So it's dark, but I'm gonna make it 2. Now look. You can barely see it. Whoa. That one, but let's just check that out, and it's always gonna be 125. Light level equal brightness. Okay, what we're gonna do is we will put, hang on for a second. Okay, so we would do A, and you don't have to reach out. And shatters when it's the same thing, or all by itself without a rectangle protection. So these all are rectangle protections themselves. So now, guess what? Okay, this is now. Okay, so this is, okay, now let's just get everything arranged like parts. Gather all the parts up. Radio strength, good. Okay, done. Now, all we could do, it's going up and down. Okay, now this is how the code should match, like over here. This is what we want to match, like what is in my background. See, my background is cool code. That's the same code we're going to make. So, see that code? Yeah. So now, all we need is parts. Okay. get this, and we would say A or A, and as you said, you might ask questions like, what is this about? Like, this is also used in remote control cars. Okay? Remote control cars. So, as you can see, a little glitch. I'm gonna just grab that and pour it over here. And instead of putting that A, we turn that into B. Now it's time to make that function. Move it by A dot O. Oh, and I just remembered. Okay, so just a reminder, be sure to like and subscribe, even though this is not that exciting. Oh, where did my mouse go? It's on this screen rather than I am on this screen. Yeah, it's only one screen, so you can. This is the second one that you could see, and this is the thing that I'm working on. So, okay. So now we could just and remember, I could make mistakes and and please subscribe and watch and share. Like, share, and subscribe so I have more viewers. Okay, yeah, I love more viewers. I might accidentally click equals now A plus B. A plus B. That's what it says here, A plus B. On my code, it just has something different. Okay, now we're gonna, this is a quick code, so I better review to you that I'm gonna be quick. You could just pause this video and do your code, and please send me comments down below. Comments down below. So now we are going to do something called A plus B. Okay. A plus B. Oops, I did a shift on that. Plus B. not good. A plus B also is equal to set radio group by 1. Okay. And B. Oh, whoops. 1. No, not A. A. B. Now, all we need. Okay, now let's test it out. See? Okay, oops. Forgot something that I have to do. NB snap. Brushing. Okay. Look at those scurry guys. Bye bye. Bye bye. So, and I'll see you next time. My name is Ibrahim, IBRAHIM. Please subscribe and hit the like. And more viewers, the more merrier. Bye.